Hi guys, it's me SL and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a neoprene face mask for kids.
So the first thing we need is the pattern. You can use any paper or cardboard for this. S means sides or strap. Then N means nose. Then C means chin. Next, I'm going to show you the different measurements of each sides. This is 2 inches. From side up to the chin, that will be 3 inches. From the nose down to the chin area, that would be 3.5 inches. Then curve it using a curve ruler. Next, from the side up to the nose, that would be 3 inches. Then get the center point, that would be 1.5 inches. Leave a mark. Then just draw a simple S form. Then leave seam allowance. Then start cutting your pattern. Next, lay down your fabric. My fabric is yung pinakamanipis na neoprene, which is very stretch and very comfortable for the kids. Then you need 4 pieces of this cut out and then put it together. Then pin this side. So for the strap, I will just cut 1 by 5 inches. Then cut 2 pieces. Then fold it just like this. Yung magkabilang dulo, mag-meet sila sa center and then fold it again. Just like this. And now let's do sewing. So for the packet filter, magbubutas lang tayo sa center ng mga 1 inch. Then after that, yung seam allowance, i-fold lang natin siya separate ways. And then, tatahiin natin both sides. So next, tatayin ko na rin yung strap. So after natin tahiin lahat, we are now going to put it together. Ito yung front ng mask natin. Bali, ipapatong lang natin yung back. And then pin it together sa nose area and sa chin. And start sewing this part. So next, we are now going to attach the strap. Ipagmimit lang natin yung both ends ng strap and then ilulusot natin sa loob. After that, lalagay natin sa magkabilang dulo and then pin. Same din sa kabilang side. And start sewing. So after we sew it together, this part is optional. Bali ako kasi dalawang beses ko tinatahi para secure and mas matibay yung ating face mask. So, the last part is, babaliktarin na natin siya. This is the easiest way para makuha natin or mabaliktad natin agad yung face mask. Kukunin lang natin yung strap sa loob and then just pull it out. And ta-da! We are done sewing this super cute face mask.
So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope natulungan ko kayong gumawa ng face mask. And if you guys have questions about this tutorial, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. And please do subscribe and help me reach 4,000 subscribers. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.